This is the most affordable headset you can lay your hands on in 2024. These things are powerful. I charge this equipment just once a week and I use it every single day for hours. The amazing part of this is, even when I'm on the road driving, someone will think I'm at home in a very calm and peaceful environment. Noise cancellation, 100%. This equipment is so beautiful, it's so nice. I can recommend it to you. And the good thing about it is it's very cheap. $40 on Amazon. You get this H1 wireless headset. Go on Amazon and grab one for yourself. Look at it here. I'm enjoying this thing. No regrets about it. And I think someone out there who is looking for something that is affordable, this is the best thing. You have your controllers here, your power button here. You can adjust your volume here. You can pause also here. This thing is amazing. Please don't hesitate. Go for it. If you are looking for something, you are confused, I recommend this product to you. It's excellent. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.